Hello guys, my name is Mahad. Today I will tell you how to make model cake. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. The ingredients you need to make model cake are 3 eggs, 1 by 3 cup of maida, 1 by 3 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half cup of sugar crushed, half teaspoon of kevra. You can also use vanilla essence, a pinch of baking soda, 2 pieces of butter. To make model cake, first you have to beat the eggs. You can also use beater to beat the eggs. Put the ground sugar and melted butter in the eggs. Beat both of them. Put in the grinder. Grind it. Put the maida. Baking powder. Baking soda. Kevra. Blend it. And oil in the blender and blend for 1 minute. Put the half of milk in this. Mix it. Cocoa powder. Put the cocoa powder in the milk. Mix it. Put a little bit of white batter in the black batter. Mix it. Grease the bowl with oil. Now follow my steps. I'm using this. You can also use spoon. Put the remaining white batter in this.